Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. We'll be talking about online translation jobs for freelancers, and specifically, we'll be diving into the details of a company called MoGi Group. MoGi Group is a leading provider of gaming services in the industry. They offer a comprehensive range of services. If you're interested in working with MoGi Group, simply head over to their website and navigate to the About Us menu. Then, click on the Careers button. This will take you to all the details and procedures for applying. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.